Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Flagstar Bank account using a mobile device. If you'd like to log into your bank account and get access to your account with the help of your mobile device, then you'll need to keep watching the video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another future update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser on your mobile device. Now, in the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.flagstar.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the home page of Flagstar Bank, which looks like this. At the upper right hand corner, you should see a login button. Simply tap it on in order to bring up the login area. Select your account type from the drop down first, and then type in a username that is associated with your online account. Make sure to type it in correct. In case you don't remember your user ID and you'd like to look for it, simply tap on this Forgot Your Username link. Now, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on this password link right beside the username link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in all of the information needed, tap on Login, and you'll be logged into your online banking account for Flagstar Bank. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.